Namaskar, dear educators, principals, parents, and my dear students. Imagine this. What if a video created by your students reaches thousands of people across the country and spreads awareness about cyber safety? What if your school gets national recognition for promoting responsible digital citizenship? And what if your students get a chance to win prizes worth lakhs of rupees? Sounds exciting, isn't it? Well, today I am here with an important CBSE update regarding the National Cyber Awareness Grand Challenge 2026. This initiative has been launched by the Information Security Education and Awareness Project under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखिए क्योंकि मैं आपको इसमें बताने वाली हूं व्हाट इज दिस ग्रैंड चैलेंज, हु कैन पार्टिसिपेट, किस प्रकार का वीडियो बनाना है, इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स क्या हैं और कितने प्राइजेस दिए जाएंगे, साथ ही में सिलेक्शन के चांसेस कैसे बढ़ाए जा सकते हैं. सो लेट्स बिगिन. फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अनदर कॉम्पिटिशन. ये एक नेशनल लेवल ग्रैंड चैलेंज है जिसका उद्देश्य साइबर सेफ्टी और साइबर सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस को बढ़ावा देना है. दिस चैलेंज encourages students and citizens to create impactful awareness campaigns through videos, posters, presentations, digital content, awareness materials. In simple words, government wants young minds to become ambassadors of cyber safety. आज जब बच्चे बहुत कम उम्र में स्मार्टफोन्स, गेमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स और सोशल मीडिया का उपयोग कर रहे हैं तो साइबर अवेयरनेस पहले से ही कहीं अधिक आवश्यक हो गया है. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दिस इनिशिएटिव एम्स टू अचीव. अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल, इसमें कौन पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है? हु कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस कॉम्पिटिशन? द गुड न्यूज इज इंडिविजुअल्स कैन पार्टिसिपेट, ग्रुप्स कैन पार्टिसिपेट, students can participate, schools can participate, and most interesting part, videos can be created in any of the 22 officially recognized Indian languages. इसका मतलब है कि आप हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, बंगाली, मराठी या अपनी स्थानीय भाषा में भाग ले सकते हैं. This gives an opportunity to showcase not only cyber awareness but also our rich culture heritage. Now let's understand the most important part. What topics can you choose? The competition focuses on three major target groups: senior citizens, women, children and students. Each category has specific cyber safety themes. For senior citizens, participants can create videos on phishing scams, fake KYC calls, utility bill frauds, digital arrest scams, investment frauds, insurance scams, malicious applications, sharing OTPs, sharing UPI pins. Friends, these are the scams we hear almost every day. A well-made awareness video can save many people from becoming victims. For women, topics include cyber stalking, identity theft, fake profiles, privacy violations, deepfake blackmail, romance scams, voice cloning, online harassment. These are growing concerns in today's digital world. और युवाओं के माध्यम से समाज में जागरूकता फैलाना अत्यंत आवश्यक है. For children and students, Students can choose themes such as cyberbullying, gaming scams, social media addiction, online predators, fake contests, in-app frauds, exposure to inappropriate content, sharing personal information online. These topics are extremely relevant because our children spend significant time in the digital space, and awareness is the best protection. Now comes the creative part. The challenge is looking for impactful videos. CBSE and ISEA are encouraging participants to create videos that are engaging, creative, awareness oriented, culturally relevant, story-based, easy to understand. The circular specifically mentions that videos should reflect local culture and heritage also. तो केवल जानकारी देना ही पर्याप्त नहीं है. You should try to tell a story. A good story always creates a stronger impact. People remember emotions much longer than facts. Let's quickly understand the complete process. Now, the stage 1 is concept submission. Participants need to submit their storyboard or video concept in Hindi or in English. Stage 2 is shortlisting. Expert juries will evaluate the ideas. Best concepts will be shortlisted. Stage 3 is video creation. Selected participants will create and submit their final videos. Stage 4 is the evaluation, where cybersecurity experts will assess the submitted entries. Stage 5 is result declaration. National and language level winners will be announced. The process is simple, systematic and highly exciting. Friends, please note these dates. Idea submission deadline is 15th July. Shortlisted ideas announcement is 5th of August. Then final video submission is on 5th of September. Result announcement is on 29th of September. Time is limited, so if your school is interested, planning should start immediately. Now comes the most exciting part, the prizes. National first prize is of 2 lakh rupees. National second prize is of 1,50,000 rupees. National third prize is of 1 lakh rupees. Apart from these, there will be 22 language-wise consolation prizes. And yes, every participant will receive a participation certificate. That itself is a wonderful achievement for students. So if you want your video to stand out, here are some suggestions. Use a relatable real life situation. Keep the message simple. Focus on storytelling. Include practical cyber safety tips. Use local language effectively. Make the video emotionally engaging. Highlight positive solution. Remember, awareness videos should not only create fear, they should empower people to stay safe online. Friends, cybersecurity is no longer a technical subject. It is a life skill. आज के समय में डिजिटल लिटरेसी उतनी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितनी रीडिंग और राइटिंग स्किल्स. This grand challenge provides students with an opportunity to learn, innovate, and contribute towards building a safer digital India. So I strongly encourage schools, teachers, and students to participate enthusiastically. Who knows, the next national winner may be from your school. So if you found this video useful, do like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to share it with your fellow teachers, students, and school leaders. We will meet again with another important CBSE update. Till then, stay safe, Stay smart, stay cyber aware. Thank you and Jai Hind.